In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Discord welcome message with Dynobot. Now, to do this, you're going to need dyno.gg, the bot in your Discord server. If you haven't got it, all you got to do is go to the top left where it has your Discord server name, go to app directory, go to search, and then type in Dyno, like so, and then you're going to see this one right here. And then all you got to do is press add app, and then you can just visit the site once you've added it to your Discord. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to ask you what server you want to add it into. I'm going to put it into this one. Go ahead and press continue, authorize all of this different stuff. And then it's just going to ask for an authentication code if you have your Discord linked on like two-factor authentication. And once you go ahead and give it that, it's going to look something like this. And you just want to go over to modules and then just look for something called welcome, like so. Enable this, and then basically you can go into settings. You could have a custom message, so you can have a welcome channel, and then you could also have like a message, and then it can be like welcome to the server, press update, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.